Good morning, students. Have you ever seen a bamboo plant? Yes, we use bamboo for many purposes in our day-to-day life. We use them as furniture, bird cage, bridge, and apart from this, we also use it as a ladder, hand fan, and so on and so forth. Now we have a lesson from Unit 1, that is bamboo curry. It is taken from a Santhal folk tale. So before we know what is this Santhal folk tale, so we need to know about this particular tribe, that is Santhal tribe. So this Santhal tribe is the largest tribal community in India, and primarily this particular tribe, they live in the different states like Jharkhand, Orissa and West Bengal. Apart from these states, they also live in our neighboring country, that is Nepal and Bangladesh. And this particular tribe have incredibly rich storytelling tradition, and this particular story, that is bamboo curry, is from an enormous collection of Santhal stories. And all the Santhal stories, these have been translated into English by C.H. Bompas. So now, apart from this bamboo curry, there are so many other stories. They are the Tiger's Bride, the Raja's Dream, the Tiger and the Cat, and the Brave Jackal. So these are the different stories from the collection. So now we have the story, that is the bamboo curry. So we'll see what is this particular story, what is the which part of the bamboo plant is used for curry. So open your textbook to page number 16. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited. So one day what happened, Santhal bridegroom has visited his mother-in-law's house. So when he has visited, she has given him lunch, food. In that she has prepared a special curry, that is the bamboo curry. Then this curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. So now the Santhal bridegroom, he eats that particular curry and he says, this is very delicious. What curry it is? Then the Santhal mother-in-law or bridegroom's mother-in-law, she points towards the bamboo door. Next morning, just he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So who was about to leave the village? It is the Santhal bridegroom. He was about to go from that mother-in-law's house. So he remembered that in his village there are no bamboos. So he wanted to take. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his house. So as there are no bamboos in his village, he took the bamboo door and he left that village. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. So after reaching the village, when he went to his house, he told his wife, you make a curry with this bamboo door, because he liked the curry which has been given by his mother-in-law. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? So she was shocked. Who was she? She is the Santhal bridegroom's wife. She was shocked. She was surprised and confused. How she can make a curry from that bamboo door? Come, I will help you. Chopping up the bamboo, he said. So come, I will help you. So who is that I will help you? Santhal bridegroom, he says to his wife. Don't get worried about it. I will help you how to chop it. And he started chopping the bamboo door. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later when her husband tasted it, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. So what happened after chopping that bamboo door into pieces? His wife, she has boiled it again and again. And she has given the curry to Santhal's bridegroom or to her husband. And when he had tasted it, when he ate it, it was very hard for him to eat. And he says that you don't know how to prepare the curry. His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. So again she added water and she boiled it again and again in order to make that bamboo soft. It's still too hard. I can't eat it. So who said this? It is the Santhal's bridegroom or this lady's husband. He says that it is very hard to eat it. I cannot eat. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. So in-laws refers to the Santhal bridegroom's mother-in-law, or this young couple's, this bride's mother, she came to their house one evening. They laughed at his foolishness. Whose foolishness? Santhal bridegroom's foolishness. So what is that foolishness? Let us see it. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" So she says that, don't you know that the curry is made out of bamboo shoot, not the bamboo door. So bamboo door will be very hard to eat it, whereas bamboo shoot, it will be very soft, which can be used to make a curry. So she says, and they all laugh at the foolishness of the Santhal bridegroom. So finally, what did you learn from this lesson, that is bamboo curry? So here there is a communication gap between Santhal bridegroom and his mother-in-law. So when he had visited mother-in-law's house and when he had the delicious curry and when he asked about it, what it is, then mother-in-law should have told him that it is made of bamboo shoots. Okay, or else when he wanted to take the bamboo door, at least at that time, he would have told mother-in-law that as there were no bamboo in his village, he is taking the bamboo door in order to have that curry. So here, mother-in-law and Santhal bridegroom, both of them did not have proper communication. So when there is a communication gap between two persons, things go wrong. So one should have proper communication with each other. Then there won't be any sort of communication gap, or then there won't be any sort of wrong things going on. So communication plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. Is it clear, children? Thank you.